In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show scripts in Google Vids. Now, you might wonder why you'd want to display a script in Google Vids. Well, whether it's for accessibility reasons, to better understand the dialogue, or simply to follow along with the tutorial more effectively, seeing the written words can enhance your viewing experience significantly. Let's dive into the steps to make those scripts visible, and make sure you stick around for some additional tips to get the most out of your Google Vids experience. We begin by navigating to Google Vids. This part is straightforward. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Vids, or simply search for it online. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the gateway to a vast collection of video content. Next up, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will usher you to the next crucial step, choosing your Google account. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, this might be a matter of selecting the right account. If not, you'll need to log in using your email and password. Don't worry if you have more than one account. Just pick the one associated with Google Vids. Once you're signed in, you're ready to find the video you want to watch. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's search for an intriguing piece titled The Art of Ink, A Journey into Tattoo Shop Name, Google Vids. This documentary promises an immersive look into the world of tattoo artistry, making it a perfect example to demonstrate the script feature. Navigate to this video either by typing its title in the search bar or by pasting the provided URL into your browser's address bar. Now, with the video in front of you, the next step is to engage the view options. This involves locating and clicking on the view button. This button might be subtly placed, so take a moment to find it. Clicking on it reveals various viewing options, allowing you to customize your viewing experience to some extent. Our next action is to click on Closed Captions. Closed captions are designed for the hearing impaired, but they're an incredible tool for anyone wanting to see the script of the video content. This option usually appears in the same menu as the view options, or as a small icon resembling a text box at the bottom of the video player. Upon activating closed captions, you'll be presented with a choice: auto-generated. Click on this. Auto-generated captions are created by Google's AI, and while not perfect, they offer a quick and accessible way to view a script alongside the video. This feature scans the audio track of the video and produces text in real time, attempting to match the spoken words as closely as possible. And there you have it. With closed captions enabled and set to auto-generated, you can now read along as you watch The Art of Ink, A Journey into Tattoo Shop Name, Google Vids. This method enhances your understanding and enjoyment of the video, offering clarity where the audio might be unclear or when technical terms are used. A few additional tips to ensure a seamless experience. Remember that auto-generated captions are not always 100% accurate, so if a section seems confusing, listen closely to the audio as well. If you're using this feature for learning or transcription purposes, double-check critical information. Also, consider adjusting the playback speed if you're having trouble keeping up with the text, or if you want to slow down to better appreciate the video's visuals. Finally, explore other accessibility features Google Vids may offer. From enhancing the contrast to changing caption size, these tools can significantly improve how you engage with video content. And that wraps up our guide on how to show scripts in Google Vids. Whether you're watching for education, accessibility, or sheer enjoyment, knowing how to display video scripts can transform your viewing experience. Try it out with your next video and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more ways to get the most out of your digital content experiences.